They call it the blue planet Earth, wrapped in vast oceans and shimmering lakes, teeming with life. But have you ever stopped to wonder, where did all that water come from? Why is Earth soaked in water, while the rest of our solar system looks like a barren, dusty wasteland? Was water always here, hidden deep inside the planet's core? Or did it arrive from deep space, carried by ancient comets or icy asteroids, traveling light years through the cosmos? Science has offered many theories, but none have delivered a final answer. The mystery remains, and it's more fascinating than you might think. If you're intrigued by the unknown, if you crave mysteries that science hasn't cracked yet, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now and join us as we dive deep into the secrets of our world and beyond. Imagine Earth over 5 billion years ago, a violent, molten sphere spinning in darkness, battered by fire and rock. No oceans, no clouds, no life, only heat, chaos, and gas swirling in a young solar system. But deep beneath that fiery crust, something was brewing. Scientists have long wondered, could water have formed right here, inside the Earth itself? According to the endogenous theory, water didn't come from space. It was trapped within the planet from the very beginning. As Earth cooled, volcanic eruptions spewed out gases, including massive amounts of steam. That steam condensed in the atmosphere, rained down, and the first oceans were born. It's a powerful idea that Earth, once a dry rock, slowly cried oceans from its own wounds. There's evidence, too. Water-rich minerals deep underground and chemical signatures suggest that some of our water may, in fact, be homegrown. But there's a problem. The sheer volume of water oceans stretching thousands of miles seems far too much to have come only from internal processes. So the question remains, if Earth couldn't make it all on its own, who or what helped fill the oceans? What if Earth didn't make its own water? What if it received it far beyond our sky? In the freezing edges of the solar system, ancient icy bodies drifted silently through space. Comets, time capsules from the dawn of creation. Asteroids, rocky travelers carrying secrets older than planets. According to the cosmic delivery theory, these celestial messengers brought water to Earth. Billions of years ago, when our planet was still forming, Earth was constantly bombarded by meteorites, asteroids, and comets. Each crash delivered more than destruction. They delivered water. Scientists have analyzed meteorites and found they contain hydrated minerals, tiny amounts of water locked inside ancient stone. Even more compelling, some comets contain vast amounts of ice, literal, frozen oceans drifting through space. It's like Earth was seeded, drop by drop, impact by impact. But here's where things get strange. The chemical fingerprints of water in some comets specifically, the ratio of hydrogen to deuterium, don't perfectly match Earth's oceans. That casts doubt. Could these visitors really be the source of all our water? Then again, not all comets are the same. Some, especially those from the asteroid belt, seem to match our ocean's chemistry better. And new evidence suggests that carbonaceous chondrites, water-rich meteorites, could have played a bigger role than we ever imagined. So maybe, just maybe, the stars rained down water and gave Earth the gift of life. But if that's true, why only Earth? Why didn't Mars or the Moon get the same gift? Or did they? So what if both theories are true? Many scientists now believe in a hybrid model that Earth's water has two origins. Some came from deep within, rising as steam through ancient volcanic vents. The rest delivered from the heavens, riding in on asteroids and icy visitors from the edge of space. It's a cosmic collaboration. Earth provided the spark, and the universe brought the fuel. Together, they created the perfect storm for life to emerge. But still, questions linger. Why did the balance of water end up just right? Not too little to remain barren. Not too much to drown the land. How did chance or nature achieve such precision? And that's where we drift into the unknown. Some thinkers dare to ask, what if Earth's water wasn't random or natural at all? Ancient myths speak of gods who poured life onto the world, of oceans gifted from the sky, Could these legends hide fragments of truth? Could an intelligent force, alien or divine, have shaped our planet for life? Was Earth prepared, seeded with oceans by beings far older than us? Long before we ever walked its shores, we may never know. But one thing is certain. The origin of water isn't just a scientific puzzle. It's a cosmic riddle, one that touches the core of who we are and where we truly come from. For centuries, ancient cultures have spoken of water from the heavens, divine rain, gifts from the gods, or the sky weeping upon the earth. In Sumerian tablets, in Vedic hymns, even in African tribal legends, water is described not just as a natural element, but as something sacred and delivered. What if these old stories were more than just mythology? Some fringe theories propose something astonishing, that an ancient extraterrestrial civilization may have deliberately seeded Earth with water, not for conquest, but for creation. Think about it. What if the sudden delivery of water, perfectly timed with Earth's cooling, wasn't random? What if it was planned? A cosmic terraforming event. Maybe the comets were not random wanderers, but guided vessels delivering not only water, but the first ingredients of life. In this theory, Earth becomes a designed habitat, and humanity, not an accident of evolution, but part of a cosmic experiment. Is this wild speculation? Absolutely. But is it impossible? Not entirely. We still don't know who built the pyramids. We don't know what's at the bottom of our deepest oceans. And we certainly don't know for sure where our water came from. So we must ask, are we just lucky? Or are we the result of something greater, something watching, waiting, maybe even remembering? Despite all the theories, the true origin of Earth's water remains one of humanity's greatest unsolved mysteries. Each new discovery brings hope for answers, yet also deepens the riddle, making it even more fascinating and even more complex. Perhaps water itself, the source of all life, is a quiet reminder that our planet still holds secrets we've barely begun to understand. Thank you for joining this journey in search of truth. May you stay healthy, lucky, and forever curious about the world around you. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel so we can continue exploring the unknown, one mystery at a time.